everyone, this is Amy. I got so many questions recently about how to remove the gel, which make me want to make this video to show everyone step by step. But before that, I'd love to remind everyone, if your gel has been on your nail for 2 weeks, please do not peel it, because by peeling it, you might peel off protective layers on your nails, which might damage your nails. So let's get it started. Here's everything we needed to do gel removal. So we have a buffer, file, wooden stick. We have the cotton pad or cotton over here, polish removal, base coat, we might need it later, and also the foil paper that you will get it from your kitchen, just a regular foil paper. So you get the piece of foil paper, you fold it a few layers, and you cut it along the side. By doing that, you will get equal size pack like this. So you get 10 of this. I'd like to share small tips here. Tips number 1, please use acetone base polish remover, otherwise it doesn't work to remove the gel. Tips number 2 is you might get a zipper bag from your kitchen, so you put on the waste here after you remove the gel to avoid any smell from the acetone base polish remover. So let's get to the step 1. Using the file you have, gently file your top coat, the gel top coat. By doing that, it saves us a lot of time in the removing process. Please also make sure when you are filing, be very gentle. If you see your own nails during the filing process, please stop, do not file further. That means you already filed it down until the first or second layer of the gel polish. After we file off the gel top coat, let's move to the next step. So get this cotton ball. Depends on how big your nail plate. We divide it into small pieces, and then you pour the polish removal to make it wet, not necessarily to make it completely soak. And then you place the cotton ball in the top of your nails, and you use the foil paper. You just wrap it over, and it's done. So let me just quickly do that for all of my nails. So same thing. Okay, the last one. Okay, so after this, we need to wait for around 10 to 15 minutes. And let's get everything into this zipper bag and zip it up. So after we remove the gel, our nail might become slightly tingling or feel a bit dehydrated. I suggest wash the hand. So this is just temporary dehydrating from using soaking in the acetone. So the next step, I suggest using our hydration base coat, or this is our BO3, which is after gel healing base coat. So some people use the gel a lot. It really make the nail become thinner, because the gel is like wrapping your nail with plastic bags. Your nail doesn't breathe. Over time, it become weaker or thinner. So we developed this product to really help after gel healing to make your nail become stronger and healthier. So after the gel, you might also want to put on a cuticle oil or hand lotion. However, there's one more tips I'd like to share. If you want to do a manicure or apply base coat, please make sure clean up your nail plates once again, because if your nail plate is oily, your nail polish might not stay. It's super exciting news is we finally have our own Sundays cuticle serum. So it's in a drop bottle. You can use it on your cuticles, your nail plates. You can also mix with hand lotion you have for an overall hand care. So one cuticle serum is for specifically for people who has a biting nail habit to help cure the wounds, and the other one is super hydrating to really help to improve the hydration of your nails. And we also including a link here to link to the side. We prepared this whole at-home gel removal kit. So if anyone have any further questions about how to remove the gel at home, or any questions about at-home nail care, such as how to apply polish, how to do pedicure, I'll be more than happy to create more videos like this. You can also DM us. We are here for you, and please stay safe. We are here as a community, and let us know if there's anything we can do to support. Thank you again, and hope to hear back from you.